Hello friends, welcome to Terrific Terrace. At Terrific Terraces, we take terrace decoration to a whole new level, combining innovative ideas, expert craftsmanship, and a dash of British charm. Join us as we embark on a journey through the enchanting world of terrace design, where every square inch becomes an opportunity for elegance and comfort. In each episode, our talented team of design aficionados will unveil inspiring transformations and share invaluable tips and tricks to help you make the most of your terrace. From quaint balconies to the sprawling rooftops, we will guide you through the process of creating a personalized oasis that suits your styles and enhances your lifestyles. Prepare to be inspired as we delve into the realm of creative furniture arrangements, captivating color schemes, and lush greenery that will transport you to paradise right at your doorstep. Whether you are seeking a cozy retreat for intimate gatherings or an outdoor entertaining space that will leave your guests in a terrific terrace has got you covered. But we don't stop at the visuals. Our channel is committed to providing comprehensive guidance with detailed step-by-step tutorials on various type projects, budget-friendly hacks, and review of the latest terrace accessories and decor trends. We believe that every terrace has the potential to be extraordinary, no matter the size or budget. So grab your notepad and join our growing community of terrace enthusiasts. Terrific Terrace is here to ignite your creativity, elevate your outdoor living experience, and help you to unlock the true potential of your terrace. Subscribe now and embark on a journey in terrace transformation like never before because at Terrific Terrace